Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your KeyBank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL key.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to their website and click on sign on button at the top right. In order to log in, click on the sign on button, or if you do not have an account, click on Enroll, or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on Forgot ID or Forgot Password. So since we are logging into the account, click on sign on button. After you do that, you'll be forwarded to this page and you'll have to enter some of your information. So first thing you need to do is enter your user ID. So enter that. And hit continue. So after that, you'll need to enter your password. Once you fill in your information, click on continue in order to log into your KeyBank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your KeyBank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.